Updating contact info the wrong way can lock you out, so do it safely. And here's how. First of all, log in and then head over to your profile. After that, go to contact details. Then add the new phone number or email first. After that, verify it with the code. Also, by putting your phone number or email, make sure that you are putting it in correctly so your verification code won't be lost. Then remove the old contact only after verification. Also, if these do not work and they load, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. Then review alert settings. Tip: if you lost access to the old number, call Citi support, and that's it. Subscribe for more.